Welcome to Jobs 900 video, made for you by jobsyoucantrust.com. Our videos are designed to provide you with the latest industry secrets and practical advice to make your job search successful and stress-free. Jobsyoucantrust.com is your go-to platform for reliable job listings and career resources tailored just for you. Whether you're a professional, factory worker, skilled, or in healthcare, we've got the tips, tricks, and insights to help you land your dream job. We offer comprehensive guides to help you craft the perfect CV and cover letter, ensuring you stand out from the crowd. Our platform also provides interview preparation tips to boost your confidence and help you make a lasting impression. Also, you'll find networking strategies to expand your professional connections and uncover hidden job opportunities, so be sure to check out our website from the link in the description below. If you want to stay ahead of the game, hit that subscribe button and smash the bell icon. Now let's dive into today's video.
In today's video, we're diving into the best strategies to keep you focused, energized, and on top of your game at work. Whether you're working in an office, a factory, or on-site, these practical tips will help you stay engaged and perform at your best. Let's get started. Tip 1. Set clear goals and prioritize tasks. One of the best ways to stay motivated is to have clear goals. Break down your tasks into daily, weekly, and long-term goals. This helps you stay focused and prevents you from feeling overwhelmed. Start each day by making a to-do list and prioritizing the most important tasks first. Keep track of your progress. Ticking off completed tasks can give you a sense of achievement and motivation to keep going. Tip 2. Maintain a positive work environment. Your work environment plays a huge role in your motivation and productivity. Keep your workspace organized. It helps you stay focused and minimizes distractions. Personalize your space with motivational quotes or pictures that inspire you. If you work in a team setting, build positive relationships with colleagues. A supportive and friendly work environment boosts morale and makes work more enjoyable. Tip 3. Take breaks and avoid burnout. Working non-stop might seem productive, but in reality, it can burn out you and reduce efficiency. Taking breaks is essential for maintaining long-term motivation. Step away from your desk or workstation every couple of hours to refresh your mind. Engage in activities like stretching and deep breathing in a private or secluded places. Also, quick walk will improve focus and energy levels. Tip 4. Keep learning and challenging yourself. Stagnation can lead to boredom, which affects motivation. Keep growing and challenging yourself to stay engaged in your work. Learn new skills related to your job. This keeps things interesting and increases career opportunities. Ask for new responsibilities or projects to challenge yourself and break routine. Attend training sessions, workshops, or online courses to expand your knowledge and stay ahead in your field. Tip 5. Stay healthy, physically and mentally. Your health directly impacts your motivation and productivity at work. Neglecting it can lead to fatigue, stress, and lack of focus. Eat a balanced diet and stay hydrated by drinking plain water. Your body and brain need fuel to function at their best. Get enough sleep to ensure you're energized and ready for the workday. Practice stress management techniques like meditation or exercise to maintain mental well-being and avoid workplace burnout. Staying motivated and productive isn't just about working harder, it's about working smarter. By setting clear goals, creating a positive work environment, taking breaks, learning new things, and taking care of your health, you can maintain high motivation and performance in your job.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Do hit the subscribe button below to catch up with our new videos. Also, don't forget to place your CV in jobsyoucantrust.com, the jobs website that has it all. Check out the link in the description below. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your job search.